Alright, how about we start cleaning this place up a little bit. I think what I might do is run down and get Bill's golf cart, bring it up here and start putting some stuff on it. That can go back down yonder in the back barn. And I guess one more thing I need to do is I need to come up with a place to attach this carburetor spring. Right now I got it on this long bolt, but I was thinking I might can put something in that bolt hole right there that would allow me to make me a little spring holder right there. And I've probably got various and sundry little odd and end pieces of metal that I could make that out of over here in one of these boxes. See, there's something I'm going to want is a wire insulator for my alternator wire. And what else we got? I might go take my good jeans off before I get something smelly and nasty on them. Put on some working clothes. I'd rather mess up my some kind of working clothes than my good jeans, I think. Oh, boy. See this here. That's not made for that, but it would be. Sort of similar to something I could use there. This actually could be something that I could run that alternator wire down through up under the motor. Alright, I'll shut y'all off now. Okay, I think it's quitting time. I've been doing a little bit of cleanup. You know, all them screws, nuts, bolts, Chevrolet pieces and stuff, I just put it right up there. I actually boxed it all up, took it out back, like I was going to put it way back in the other garage. And I thought, well, why don't I put it back here if I need nuts and bolts and screws and stuff? Put them close by, so I put them up there. You can't tell I did a lot of cleanup, but I did some. And then we went over and Honeybay bought me a new saw. I'll show y'all that another day out here. But I found this shiny little pretty hose to replace the old ugly greasy black one I had on here, and I put a little bolt here, ran one of these pieces of chain to hook my carburetor spring onto, and I kind of like the looks of that. You know, it's got a little bit of rat rodish nature to it. So she's all pretty good now. I never did set the valve. I was going to set them running, but you know, it sounds so good. I've just been leaving it alone, doing just fine. So, you know, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I'll come back, and I got that wire from the alternator to run, and I found some of this insulated wire to put it in, and I found another little wire thing here. I thought I might attach to my oil pan and run that wire underneath the down there back to the starter. Put it in a place where it won't get in the way of anything. Alright, I'm going to quit for the day. I'll come back to this another day, and we'll maybe next time I'll clean up so much stuff that you'll be able to see the floor. Wouldn't that be amazing? Oh, these boxes, they got to go. They're going tomorrow though. We're gonna make a dump run tomorrow, haul off cardboard and paper and maybe a bag of garbage. Oh yeah.